This is Village Auto's 2010 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew 4-wheel drive with a short box. Very clean truck. You have a roll-up tonneau cover, bed liner, tow package, rear park assist sensors, alloy wheels with 4 like new tires, chrome step bars, privacy glass. Very well maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 4.6 liter V8 motor along with the automatic transmission. Incredible deal for only $13,850. Let's get inside here for you. This one does have a cloth interior. Very clean, as you can see. Do have the keyless keypad entry, full power options, power driver's side seat. This is a 5-passenger truck. You have the AM/FM 6-disc and dash CD changer. The sync powered by Microsoft, so you also have the Bluetooth, the USB, and auxiliary inputs. Electronic 4-wheel drive switch, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the adjustable foot pedals, auto dimming rear view mirror, power sliding rear window. It's a very well maintained F-150. Stop on down to Village Auto in this 2010 Ford F-150 Super Crew XLT 4-wheel drive home.